everyone, and welcome to another educational video about screen printing by Catspit Productions. Thanks for clicking on my video today. I seriously appreciate your time and attention, and if you like the content, the advice, the tips, the info, the humor, maybe the freebie giveaways, etc., etc. If you like that all, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free, and it's a way to keep me motivated to keep doing these videos free right here on YouTube. So make sure to subscribe right now. All right, thanks a lot. I appreciate that. So today, really quick, since we're selling water-based textile inks, this question is coming up often and frequently now. So I know I have addressed this in other videos, probably in the past, but why should you always back flood when you're printing with water-based inks, and what is back flooding? It's a very simple procedure. So in between prints, all you need to do is that. And of course, obviously with a thinner ink, like water-based ink, you may not have to flood it that much. You're just going to spread water-based ink evenly across the stencil area so that it keeps the stencil wet, okay? The thinner the ink is spread out on the screen or anywhere, the quicker it will dry no matter what. Okay, so does that make sense? When you're between prints, you're going to back flood the screen with ink. So that means while the screen is back flooded with ink, we would go ahead and pull the shirt off, put it on the belt dryer or whatever you're going to do, and then you're going to come back and it's already flooded. So all you do is your print stroke, right? And then back flood immediately. Okay, so once you have your print done and you know it's a good print, you're going to lift. I do off palette, of course. Flood again. You're going to lift up and then go ahead and take the shirt off and then put a new shirt on while the screen is back flooded. So it keeps a good amount of ink in the stencil, the open mesh area, so that it stays wet and flowing. Okay, and that way, you'll have a much better time, especially with the new water-based ink that I sell. It does have a pretty slow evaporation time or evaporative time, whatever the word is. But you still have to back flood because it's water-based ink. So the thinner it's spread out on the screen, it's going to dry. So even on the edges, it's going to be thin. You're going to have some of it dry out a little bit that you'll be able to clean up later, when you clean up and stuff. But, okay, you're going to do, basically, you're going to do your print. You're going to back flood. You're going to pull the shirt off, put a new shirt on. Do the print, right? Back flood, and so on and so forth. All right, so hopefully that makes sense. It's a very simple thing. The back flood is the same as flooding. We do our print stroke, we do our flood stroke, right? But a back flood is done in between print strokes so that it keeps the stencil wet and flowing with the water-based ink. All right, that's it for today. Just a quick tip on working with water-based inks and keeping them flowing on screen, keeping them from drying. It's just a little quickie for you. So remember, if you need screen printing equipment or supplies like water-based inks, check out catspitscreenprintsupply.com. Thanks again for watching, and of course, we will see you next time.